Good morning, students. So today we will solve exercise 41. What is the first question of exercise 41? The first question is this: add the following amounts. Add the following amounts. So firstly you have to add these numbers: 5, 5, 10, 8 to 10, 5, 15, 1, 16, 8, 6, 14, 7, 21 and 22. 4, 3, 7, 2, 9, 6, 1, 7. So what is your answer? And decimal will be here in line. The decimal addition, the decimal should be in line. Okay. So this is your answer, rupees 792.60. Now I am going to tell you question number 7. Question number 7 is this: add the following amounts. Firstly you have to write in column. Firstly you have to write these numbers in column. What is the number? 1546.35, 167.85, 6.54 and 0.56. So firstly you have to write like this in column these numbers, then you will add. Okay. So I am going to add this: 5, 5, 10, 4, 14, 6, 20. What is carry? 2. 8, 3, 11, 5, 16, 16, 5, 21 and carry 2, 23. 7, 6, 13, 6, 19 and carry was 2. So 21 means 1 and 2 carry there. 6, 4, 10, 12, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7. So this is your answer, rupees 1721.30. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 8. The question number 8 is this: Meera buys a pencil for rupees 6.40, an eraser for rupees 8.65 and an ink for rupees 57.75. What is the total amount she has to pay to the shopkeeper? So firstly you have to write like this: cost of pencil. Cost of pencil is given there, rupees 6.40. Cost of eraser, equal to rupees 8.65. 8.65. Cost of ink pen. Cost of ink pen. What is cost of ink pen? Rupees 57.75. Total amount. Now you have to find total amount. So how will you do? Add these numbers: 6.40, 8.65 and 57. You will write like this. Remember this, student: 57.75. Decimal बेटा decimal के नीचे ही होना चाहिए, otherwise your addition will be wrong. Okay. Now you will add this. So 5, 5, 10, 6, 4, 10, 7, 17, 1, 18, 1 carry is there, 7 and 15, 6, 21 and 22. 5 to 7. So your answer is rupees 72.80. This is question number 9. Okay. So student, this is question number 9. So this is a word problem. How you do like this? Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 11. The question number 11 is this: rupees 705.30, rupees 705.30 minus rupees 78.56, rupees 78.56. Okay. You have to find the difference. In mathematics, difference means subtraction and sum means addition. So you have to find the difference means it will be subtract. Okay. So I am going to subtract 10 minus 6 4 and 12 minus 5 7, 14 minus 8 6, 9 minus 7 2 and 6. So what is your answer? Rupees 626.74 is your answer. Okay. So rupees 626.74. Now I am going to tell you question number 17. A pencil cost rupees 8.30 and an eraser cost rupees 3.75. Cost of pencil equal to rupees 8.30. Okay. Cost of eraser equal to rupees 3.75. So now you subtract it. 10 minus 5 5 and 12 minus 7 5, 7 minus 3 6, 6.75. So rupees 6.75 is your answer. Okay. Sorry, 10 minus 5 5 and this will be 12 minus 7 5 and it will be 7. 7 minus 3, 4.55. So pencil cost is more than eraser by rupees 4.55. Okay. So like this you can solve this. Okay. Now I am going to tell you exercise 42. Exercise 42. The first question is rupees 50.85 multiplied by 8. So you have to multiply it. Eight five is 40, 8 8 is 64 and 4 68, 8 5 is 40 and 6 46, 8 1 is 8, 4 12. So rupees 126.80 is your answer. One more question I am going to tell you. Question number 2. Rupees 90.76 multiplied by 50. So this is 2-digit multiplication. So simply you know multiplication, how to do multiplication. So firstly I will do multiply. 5 6 is 30 and 5 7 is 35. 3 carry 38. 5 0 0 and 3. 5 9 is 45. Okay. Now we will do multiply by second number once. So it will be here gap. 1 6 is 6. 1 7 is 7. 1 0 0 1 9 is 9. Now we will add this number. 8 6 14. 7 3 10 1 11. 5 4 6. 9 4 13. Now you have to see the decimal. How many digits there? 1 2. From the right side you will count. After 2 digits you have to shift the decimal. Put the decimal. So what your answer is 1361.40. So like this you can do multiply easily. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 3. Cost of 1 kg of rice is rupees 63.5. Then cost of 15 kg of rice equal to rupees 63.50 will be multiplied by rupees 15. Okay, so 500, 5 5 are 25, 5 3 are 15 to 17, 5 3 are 30, 31. Now by 1 1 0 0 1 5 is 5, 1 3 is 3, 1 6 is 6. Add this number 5 7 5 12, 3 1 4 1 5 6 3 9. And decimal at how many places? 2. So this is your answer, rupees 952.50. This is question number 7. Sorry, this is question number 7. Okay. So like this you can solve other questions. Okay. So I hope you understand it well. Okay, thanks. Have a nice day.